Alright, restocking my hotel mini fridge. I got drinks here first. Orange juice. We'll put in the way bottom. Wait, I'm in the way. Let's do it like this. Okay. It's only gonna say like that. Then Canadian Dry. There. Okay. Everyone's gonna have their own little section. Don't break it. They'll know whose drinks is whose. And then my favorite, Baja Blast. I'm trying to do it fast. Just put them in there. Everyone loves watching restock videos. I don't know why. So we get the top. Haha. And then Pepsi. Okay. Put it in like that. Okay. And then I'll just put a few of the mic cards down here because you can't get over there. And there you go. Restocked mini fridge.